Today I am working on this pallet. I'm turning it into a gnome. I have bought a tablecloth that I have folded so that it'll make a hat. I found something for a nose that's going to be glued here, and then I have several mop heads that I'm going to be stapling on to make his beard. So the first thing I'm going to do is get his hat where I want it and get that stapled on.
Yeah. Where at?
Okay, I've got that stapled on, and now I have stapled on some greenery to his hat, and I'm going to glue the nose on next. Now I am going to paint the nose. The paint is it's a flesh color, it's supposed to be anyway. It came from Dollar Tree. Washable paint. I don't know how well this is going to stick to something outside, but if it comes off next year, I'll just repaint it. Alright, first coat's on. We'll come back tomorrow and put a second coat on. Decided I'm going to paint his coat or shirt or whatever you want to call it green. So I'm going to get that done real quick. I'll be back. I probably should have done this before I painted his nose and put the hat on, but I hadn't decided how I wanted to do this. I'm kind of playing it by ear, seeing how I like it as I go. So, as long as it looks good in the end. There's no rules here. Alright. I think it looks pretty good so far. Here we go. So I'm going to let him dry tonight and come back tomorrow to put that second coat on the nose, which is probably going to take a different paint, because that paint doesn't seem to really be sticking. Big surprise. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. And here's what I got done last night. He's looking rather cute. And when I get home from work today, I will be putting his beard on, and then he'll be finished. To take the mop apart, all you do is pull a couple of these out, and then you just keep pulling till you have them all out. Now I'm going to start on his beard. I am going to start at the top and work my way down. nighttime and I'm out here working on this gnome because I am determined to get it finished before morning, and I found some more staples. So I'll see you when this guy's beard is finished because I'm not going to record this part. And here he is all finished. I stuffed his hat with some Kroger bags to give it some fullness. I think it turned out pretty cute for a project that cost less than $10. The most expensive part was the tablecloth that came from Dollar General. The mop heads all came from Dollar Tree. I already had the paint. The palette was free. I already had the greenery, and I already had the thing I made into the nose. So tomorrow I'll get him put in the ground where he's going to go along with the other pallet trees. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you guys made any yard art this year? I'll probably make another gnome next year now that I know how to do it. I have some ideas on how to have a whole collection of Christmas gnomes. We'll see if I actually get around to making any next year. But I'm pretty happy with the way this one turned out. You guys have a Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching.